So another thing that you might be thinking about as a college student is cost. So how much money are we spending on our groceries? That is a common concern amongst most college students. I know for myself, when I was a student, that was one of the #1 drivers of what I was going to purchase. One little tip that can help you in grocery shopping is knowing how to look at these shelf labels. And you'll notice on a shelf label, you have this little square called the unit price. And what the unit price tells you is how much are you paying per the quantity that you are purchasing. So this looks at price per ounce. And this is an example looking at yogurt, but you would be able to find this on cookies, oatmeal, cereal, chips, whatever it is that you're purchasing. So if you look here at our example, so 6 ounces of yogurt. So those are like the 6-ounce cups that you would probably take and have in one serving. You'll notice that you'll pay 12 cents per ounce. If you get the larger container that comes in 32 ounces, it's not as convenient because you're going to have to portion it out and maybe put it in a different piece of Tupperware or put it in a bowl in order to eat it, but you're only going to pay 5 cents per ounce. So even though this 32-ounce low-fat yogurt is more expensive, when you look at this number, it's $1.62 versus 72 cents. When you look at unit price, this is actually much less expensive than your smaller container. So let's look at some examples of that in the breakfast aisle. Something that you will see more commonly now in the breakfast aisle are these convenient little bowls for cereal. The nice thing about these is that I don't have to do anything except for add milk, and that's very, very convenient. And you'll see you got all your common brands here, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Lucky Charms. On average, you're gonna pay about twice the amount per unit for something like this than you will for a box. Somewhere in between, you'll find these. So these are your little mini boxes. Not as convenient, but a little bit more convenient because they're nice and portioned and all I have to do is pour them into my bowl. While these are still less expensive per ounce than these are, you're still gonna pay a lot more for something like this versus, let's walk down here. Your regular old box of cereal. So this is gonna be less than half the unit price compared with the ready-made bowl that all you have to do is pour the milk in. So that's one huge way to save money. Yes, it's nice to have convenience, but at the same time it will take you about 5 extra seconds to take this out, put it in a plastic bag, pack it, take it with you, or measure it out and put it in a bowl.